Tesla prepares launch of a cheaper. By the way, just real quick, some will argue the consequence being possible security issues. I'm just putting that out. That's what they want. That's what they want to say. We're running the mall. We pay the security. We clean the bathrooms. Now you're going and side loading. Oh, you're going to side load. Tesla prepares launch of a cheaper Model Y electric SUV. So same one, but cheaper, not some new like Model 1 or whatever for the Chinese market or for the more budget or something like this. Tesla's apparently preparing to launch a cheaper version of the Model Y instead. Well, the Model Y is so popular.
It's so popular.
In 2022, Tesla's vehicle lineup remained primarily unchanged in North America. It's expected to shake it up a bit in 2023, especially with the new federal tax credit for electric vehicles, potentially incentivizing some changes. Outside North America, Tesla sells a cheaper rear-wheel drive and shorter range version of the Model Y, which is an extremely popular option, but the automaker has refused to introduce it for the North American market. Why is that? Well, they briefly offered it, but then they removed it in the configurator, and Elon said he didn't like the shorter range. I don't like the shorter range.
That's Elon. Bleh.
Yeah, you got to get, because it's the higher margin stuff, right? You got to get the higher margin sales out there first. This is why they made you wait so long, allegedly. They said, what do you got? You get a four-wheel drive? And you're like, no, it's a two.
Standard.
Yeah, it's a standard. And they said, what
FSD? No.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
6 months.
See you later, bud. Yeah. You'll get it when you get it. And you're like, let me order a Bronco. And let me actually still tell the entire world I like the Tesla better.
Yeah.
Let me do that.
Unfortunately, that didn't even change the speed of it.
No, not whatsoever. Well, you could have said it. You could have said, when you put in the order, you said, by the way, I'm Willie Do, XYZ.
No, I don't think that would do it.
You could have done it. I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'm just saying. But who knows? They could have been pissed off when they saw your Bronco talk, and they're like, hey, man.
Extend another 10 months.
Hey, man. Okay, so the version of the Model Y has never appeared in Tesla's Model Y configurator, as it's only offered to Tesla employees or as a direct offer to some customers who had ordered the Model Y. Interesting. The new Model Y is listed at $61,990, which is also the price that Tesla used to offer the Model Y for with the 4680 cells. Also listed as dual motor all-wheel drive version. For now, the vehicle is only in the source code of the configurator and can't be selected by buyers. So a cheaper Model Y, yes, cheap. What do we say? Cheaper iPhone, cheaper Teslas, global economic downturn, stock market crash, crypto crash. Give me cheaper prices. Okay.